I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Hey everyone, this is my March 30th, 2021 watch list, and here's what I'm watching. ANIX. I really want to see it get above 510, because then we can go for this gap fill, and it's been as high as 809. Right, and its earnings has actually gotten better. So this news for dropping it's a direct offering. So maybe I'll do a video one time on offerings and what to expect, but it just increased. A week ago, it's announced bought deal offering. So, not to get too much into offerings into this video, but this is starting to have interest in me. I'll definitely watch it today, if not over the next week. I'm watching APTO. I'll show you what I'm looking for. If this is shorted, right? Let's see here. So pretty much what we just had an FO or HOFV. This is this has the same situation that can go on. So if we can get above 6, we can start going towards 7.5 again. So if there's a ton of volume that pours in like HOFV, then you might have the situation to do what it did. BBGI. I really want to see this hit 3 and hold. 342 doesn't sound like a lot, but if you look at the weekly, this might turn into a long-term hold, right? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green weeks out of 13. So, 151, it's 392 now. 3 months from now, is it going to be 4, 5, 6, 7? It could be. I'm liking the way that this is still holding this big rejection of price, so we get above 342, it can keep going. CLVS, I'll just set this back. So CLVS, right? So high is 11.1, recently went to 9. But the key here is, again, is the shorts. I guess I'll have to go back and show the other chart. But so the shorts are now making up 50% or more of the volume here. So that's ripe for a squeeze. We start to push against 6.4, 6.5. Probably 6.5, 6.6. You can see the pivot points that go back through. Let me go back to APTO since I pulled up the wrong chart. But there you go. So 50, 50. There was no shorting here because there's no volume. What are they going to do? So you can see this is kind of still left up there. HOFV. This one's tricky. I took a position yesterday. Pretty decent. It was pretty hard to lose yesterday. It's down decent in pre-market, but I have a stop here in my average from my remaining shares, 543. Maybe we go back up and through and start squeezing. We'll see. Sometimes short squeezes keep running. And then PRQR. Right? So I'm looking for the trend reversal here. Is it today? I don't know. We'll see. This was really good news. In my opinion, it's really good news. And so we're going down, down, down. But there's no selling. And even better here, as looking for long term. Right? It's squeezed and it's not going down. So we have the short volume. Probably some covering in here. I can't imagine. Maybe at the very top, there's still some left. here again, and now we're down. So when it really starts to stabilize or reverse, this is going to move, and there's nobody selling, like I said. So it may not be today, it may not be tomorrow. I mean, this is a pretty downward candle. We'll see how it stabilizes, but you know, we have this big bar here, never took it out. So you have this big bar here,